Okay, so this is the assembled support arm and internal receiver.
Now your idea is to manufacture these locally.
That's correct.
Within the community and not outsourced to a different company. Let's see. This says, contrary to other manufacturers' recommendation, this product is being built in the USA. So it's completely USA built.
Right. I came up with the idea almost 3 years ago and patented it, and now I'm trying to manufacture it. So
this is the frame that hangs between the arms.
Right. Now we have the frame built. Its tabs are checked to make sure everything rotates nicely. And again, by chance, a Lund 48-inch toolbox sits right down onto it.
Nice.
The other thing that is nice about it is that these lay flat on the frame. So,
and these black brackets in the back are for what?
The brackets right here, you see, are for the Coleman grill. They screw on 4 holes, and it accepts the Coleman grill. So that is the extent of the components that would get toolbox or barbecue. Now, it can be used for hunting, fishing. You could put camping gear, coolers, other items on here that you could attach. It's somewhat very versatile for items that you want to carry and remove easily. Depending on the weight, 2 people would probably, I always have 2 people drop it on, depending on if I have a load of tools or not. But that's the extent of it.
And again,
so
completely built in